Dank weather across central Britain is going to stay with us now until Thursday. Now we did see some sunshine breaking through today, notably through parts of Wales, the Bristol area and also northeastern Scotland. And in these areas the temperature did reach 9 or 10 degrees. Now if you think the grass is always green on the other side of the fence with or without the pylons, well, we've got some pretty nasty weather down in the Mediterranean just at the moment, and you can see this thick area of cloud moving north up through Italy. In fact, it brought 47 millimetres, nigh on 2 inches of rain to Rome in just 6 hours this morning. It's been even worse down at Perpignan in the southwest of France, because here there's been about 5.5 inches since Saturday, and there's more rain to come as well. It's that area of low pressure responsible for it. We've got the high pressure drawing in these very cold and grey winds across our part of the world, and that's the way it's going to be tonight as well. Very misty, some drizzle around too, and we've got some more thick fog developing across parts of Wales, the West Country, and up towards the Lancashire area as well through tonight. Further north, some patches of fog developing across parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland, with the drizzle confined to the Outer Hebrides come the end of the night. There will be a touch of frost around, mainly in the upland areas of Wales up towards the Pennines, but most places between 1 and 3. In some northwestern areas about 6 degrees, for example, up around the Western Isles once again. Well, there's the high pressure. It's going to be with us for the next few days, as I say, but eventually on Thursday we'll find this cold front moving south across Scotland. That'll bring some wintry weather there. But as far as Tuesday morning is concerned, again, very misty and damp and dank, some thick patches of fog and some pockets of drizzle about. Some drizzle too up in the northwest of Scotland, but I think we're going to find northwestern parts brightening up through the day, some sunshine at times, the drizzle perhaps becoming confined to the far north. In the south, though, still some drizzle in the wind, what there is of the wind, and then we'll find some brighter weather perhaps developing across northwest England and more likely across the west of Wales. But it really will be a pretty gloomy scene once again, and a cold day, probably no higher than 4 degrees for the south, maybe 8 to 10 as you head across those northwestern areas. No great change on Wednesday either. The mist and fog will thicken up overnight and then be slow to clear on Wednesday morning, and a few places will see some frost too. Now I think we're going to find on Thursday some thickening cloud developing across the far north of Scotland, and that moving down across Scotland during the day will turn to sleet and snow. For England and Wales, some brighter weather, but many places staying pretty cold once again. Bye bye.